Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, the channel where we do the hard work of comparing products so you don't have to. Today, we're diving into the world of 3D printers. On my left, we have the QIDI MAX3, the big boss, the heavyweight champ of 3D printing. And on my right, the Creality Ender 3v3 SE, the speedster, the budget-friendly genius. It's David versus Goliath, folks. So let's get ready to rumble. All right, let's address the elephant in the room: the price. The QIDI MAX3 comes in at a whopping $1,099. For that price, you could buy a small island, or at least a really fancy blender. On the other hand, the Creality Ender 3v3 SE is a steal at $219. That's less than what some people spend on their weekly coffee habit. So if your wallet is tighter than your jeans after Thanksgiving, the Ender 3 might be your new best friend. Next up, let's talk speed. The QIDI MAX3 boasts a maximum speed of 600 millimeters per second with 20,000 millimeters per square second acceleration. It's like the Usain Bolt of 3D printers. Meanwhile, the Ender 3v3 SE isn't too shabby either, clocking in at 250 millimeters per second with 2,500 millimeters per square second acceleration. Think of it as the speedy cousin who's always late to family dinners but still gets the job done faster than anyone else. Now, ease of use. The QIDI MAX3 is fully assembled and ready to go out of the box. It's like the IKEA furniture you wish you had. No hex keys or lost screws. Plus, it has auto-leveling, so you can say goodbye to the headache of manual calibration. On the other hand, the Ender 3v3 SE assembles in just 3 steps and also has auto-leveling. It's like assembling a Lego set. If Lego sets could create other Lego sets. According to reviews, users appreciate the ease of setup for both machines, with the Ender 3v3 SE being particularly favored by beginners. Let's move on to build quality. The QIDI MAX3 has an ultra-stable, all-metal frame, a 6mm thick aluminum heatbed, and 10mm hardened steel linear shafts. It's built like a tank, a very precise, high-tech tank. The Ender 3v3 SE, while not as robust, has dual Z-axis lead screws and steel linear shafts for stability. It's like comparing a fortress to a sturdy treehouse. Both will keep you safe, but one might withstand a zombie apocalypse better. Reviewers note that the QIDI MAX3's construction is top-notch and industrial grade, while the Ender 3v3 SE is appreciated for its stability and ease of assembly. When it comes to materials, the QIDI MAX3 can handle just about anything you throw at it, from standard PLA and ABS to exotic filaments like carbon fiber and glass fiber. It's like the Swiss Army knife of 3D printers. The Ender 3v3 SE, with its Sprite Direct Drive Extruder, can handle PLA, PETG, and TPU. It's versatile, but maybe not as adventurous as the QIDI. Reviewers of the QIDI MAX3 often highlight its compatibility with advanced materials as a major plus. Precision and print quality are crucial. The QIDI MAX3 has an enclosed chamber heating system and dual cooling fans to ensure high precision and fine details. It's like having a personal butler who makes sure everything is perfect. The Ender 3v3 SE, with its 32-bit silent mainboard and advanced stepper motors, offers great precision too, like a ninja quietly creating masterpieces in the night. Reviewers of the QIDI MAX3 praise its high print quality, while users of the Ender 3v3 SE are generally satisfied with its precision. Finally, customer support and warranty. The QIDI MAX3 offers a free 1-year warranty and lifetime technical assistance. It's like having a tech-savvy friend on speed dial. The Ender 3v3 SE provides a 12-month after-sales service and a 3-month service for wear parts. It's solid, but maybe not as reassuring as a lifetime guarantee. Many QIDI MAX3 users commend the company's excellent customer service, while opinions on the Ender 3v3 SE's support are mixed, with some users experiencing issues. Overall, the QIDI MAX3 is praised for its high build quality, versatility with materials, and excellent customer support. Users appreciate its precision and ease of use, making it a solid choice for both hobbyists and professionals. On the other hand, the Creality Ender 3v3 SE is lauded for its affordability, ease of assembly, and being a great entry-level machine. While it has some reported issues, many users find it to be a reliable, budget-friendly option for beginners. So there you have it, folks. The QIDI MAX3 versus the Creality Ender 3v3 SE. Two amazing 3D printers, each with their own strengths. If you're looking for a high-end, versatile printer with top-notch precision, the QIDI MAX3 is your go-to. But if you're on a budget and want a reliable, fast performer, the Ender 3v3 SE won't disappoint. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Which one would you choose? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more comparisons that make your buying decisions easier. Until next time, stay smart and happy printing. Product links are in the description.